We are used to the car we drive every day. However, upgrading a vehicle from a base model 2012 to a top-of-the-line 2021 can be intimidating to deal with. The instrument panel is entirely different in this case. Plus, there's a multi-information display and a barely press-able button for the handbrake that operates itself. All of these concepts can be confusing and difficult to grasp at first. The majority of the time, car dealerships do not cover all of the items. The owner's manual is a good source of information, but it's often cumbersome, so most of the time, we refuse to read. As we go through our videos, we'll show you the features and how to use those on the Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid 2021 model. We'll show you how to use the kick sensor in today's video. You may be attempting to activate the kick sensor by placing your foot close to the sensor, but not quite close enough, or by placing your foot far from the center, or even far and lower than the kick sensor activation range detection area, which is installed in the rear bumper. In fact, it works if you place your foot within 10 centimeters or 4 inches of the center of the rear bumper in this circumstance. Don't rush the operation's accomplishment. The procedure should be completed in just less than 1 second, though not precisely 1 second. Not in a bit of a rush. See the video again. It will not work if you leave the key inside and the smart entry and start sensor detector key is inside. When you remove it and keep it with you, you will notice that it functions normally. It's the same procedure for closing the back door with the kick sensor, and it has to be close to the center and within 10 centimeters. Always wait until the door is completely closed and locked. Hear the door's lock clicking. That is all for today. We will see you again soon with more features operations.